Hi, this is Meir. I'm going to do my recap. Today is Thursday, September 26th. So, coming into the day, CCL was something that I think they reported earnings. A gap down, but didn't have much volume. This was like up until 9:10, 9:20. And then right before the open, like about 20 minutes before the open, 10 minutes, 15 minutes before the opener, had this tremendous drop with a lot of volume. So this was really interesting. Thanks to Norm. Norm called it out. It wasn't. Really, I took it off my watch list because, as you see, it didn't really have good price action before 9:15. Norm called it out that it got the volume and it made this major dump. So this definitely made my watch list, and I was paying close attention to it. So what happened was it dropped here very strongly with volume, and then it pulled back. So as soon as it opened, it popped up slightly here at 45.70, and when it started failing and selling off, I hit it short. So I got filled at 46.36. As soon as it broke the whole dollar of 45, I covered. Then when it cracked it at 90, I covered again. Here I covered at let me look at the 1 minute more clear. Yeah, so here I covered, here I covered again, 45.75. Then when I made this nice drop here to the pre-market low, when it broke the pre-market low here at 44.30, covered more. Then I was looking, I had a level here at 44.05. I only have it on my different other screen. I was looking for that level. Here it sold off almost to that level. So I got a little like afraid maybe that it bounced off that level. It's gonna come back. So I took off a little bit more over here, and then I got all out when here at that level, 44 even. Actually, I even got 95, 98. I don't remember exactly. That's where I got all out. So this was my trade. One trade, hassle-free. I'm glad for that. Could have gone even heavier because I wasn't risking that much. I got in at 35. I would have stopped out probably at above 50, so 15 cents risk. So I could have gone a little heavier. That's the only regret that I have. But really, it was an excellent trade. Worked out quick. One and done for the day. So that was my trade today. Thank you for watching. Any feedback is appreciated. Have a wonderful day.